guys, this is my voice reel. I know I sound like a 3-year-old child. Don't even get me started with it. Sorry for talking so fast, but this is just a short voice reveal thingamajigger, I don't know. Okay. I'm just thanking you all for love and support. I am sorry if I hurt your eardrums. I sound like a 3-year-old, but we're just gonna ignore that for now. I would just like to say thank you all for the love and support. As you all know, I did a face reveal, which is way kind of harder, but again, thank you all so much. I'm literally laughing while I'm filming this. This is just great. Friends, if you're watching this, my friends, I am sorry if this hurts your eardrums. I am sorry to all of you. It probably does hurt your eardrums. I'm probably just going to say that right now. Thank you all. Thank you all, guys. I'm going to end the video here. I know it was a short video, but I don't want to make it too long. I love you all, guys.